everybody? Hope all is going well. I'm Malachi with Off Leash K9 Training in Charlottesville, Virginia. And with me today is Annie. She is my new buddy. She is a 4.5-month-old Bernadoodle. A lot of hyperness, a lot of excitement. Her biggest thing is like the leash pulling, that sort of thing. Just making sure that is taken under control. And then just minor little puppy issues. So we're just going to work on all that sort of thing. So she's just with the basic 2-week board and train. So we'll see her progress. So we're going to just go over a few things and kind of see where our baseline is, kind of see what she knows. So Annie, hey, come. Good girl, sit. Good. Down. 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 Can you down? Come. Good girl, sit. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Annie, come. Good, sit. Good. Breathe. Awesome. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. As you can see, all that hyperness. Annie, come. Good girl. Annie, sit. Good. Heel. Up. Heel. 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 Hey. So as you can see there, not the worst start ever, but definitely a little bit to work on. So like I said, our biggest thing is just getting some of that puppiness and taking their control. So all that little hyperness, just teaching that basic obedience, that sort of thing. So this should be a pretty easy board and train. But yeah, come back in a few seconds to see your training.
really impressed at what Annie's been able to do. I especially am grateful because I feel like Annie was really well taken care of. She can be anxious, and from the videos I could tell that she felt really comfortable with Malachi and was really loved by him, and that was something that was really important to us. But it looks like she's really learned a lot. I'm really grateful, and I think I was also a little nervous that she would lose some of her spunk and fun, and she is still the sweet Annie that we love, but now can do these really great commands. So I'm really grateful for his hard work and just for also caring for her well, and excited for just what she knows now and what that will mean for our life going forward.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash K9 Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're gonna make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're gonna get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.